10 Harley-Davidsons for sale right now, from a $1,500 project to a fully restored 64 Classic. Let's see which one's the real deal. Number 1. 2006 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Classic in Union City, Tennessee, listed at $5,000. This one has 51,705 miles and has reportedly been garage kept. The seller mentions it's in good condition and just had a brand new rear tire installed. The Electra Glide Classic is known for long-distance comfort with that touring fairing, hard bags, and classic Harley road presence. At $5,000, this could be a solid entry-level touring bike. The mileage is moderate for a twin cam, and if it's been maintained properly, these bikes can easily go much further. Definitely worth checking service history, cam chain tensioners, and overall condition, but the price is competitive for a running touring Harley. Number 2. 2005 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic Electra Glide in St. Clair Shores, Michigan, priced at $5,200 firm. This one has 38,100 miles and is fuel-injected with the 1450cc Twin Cam 88. The seller says it's a two-owner bike bought from the original owner last year. It's black, clean, stock motor and transmission with Vance & Hines exhaust installed. No rust, no damage, and it even comes with the original toolkit and cover. He makes it very clear this is not a beginner bike, and he's serious about test rides, motorcycle endorsement, and cash in hand only. That usually tells you the seller knows what he has and isn't desperate. For $5,200 firm, a fuel-injected Ultra Classic that runs and drives perfect sounds like a very fair deal, especially with lower mileage compared to others in this price range. Number 3. 2006 Street Glide in Corcoran, California, listed at $3,500. Now this one is interesting. It has 60,000 miles and a salvage title. The seller says nothing is wrong with it mechanically and that it runs and rides as it should. He also claims thousands of dollars in documented work with receipts from shops. The price is low, and that's because he says he needs the space. But remember, salvaged title. That means you need to inspect it very carefully. Check frame alignment, fork tubes, wiring, and make sure the repair work was done correctly. At $3,500 though, that's dyna-money for a Street Glide. Risky? Maybe, but potentially a deal for the right buyer. Number 4. 1964 Harley-Davidson FLH Duo Glide in Redmond, Washington, listed at $28,900. This is the heavyweight of the list. A 74-inch Duo Glide that went through a full ground-up restoration just 2 years ago. The engine and heads were rebuilt by Baisley in Portland, and the frame was checked by Wasco. It only has about 150 miles since the rebuild, basically not even broken in. Most of the bike is stock except for a few tasteful upgrades like 5-gallon tanks, electronic ignition, and a belt drive system. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a piece of Harley history. At nearly $29,000, it's priced as a collectible. For someone looking for a show-quality vintage Harley with modern reliability upgrades, this could be a serious contender. Number 5. 1999 Road King Classic FLH in Ottawa, Kansas, listed at $4,750. This bike has 31,000 miles and features the fuel-injected Twin Cam 88. The seller has owned it for over 10 years, which is always a good sign. It includes a Stage 1 kit, slip-on exhaust, K&N air filter, chrome upgrades, saddlebag guards, and a dual Corbin touring seat with backrest. These late 90s Road Kings have that timeless touring look, no batwing fairing, just windshield and hard bags. Under $5,000 for a well-maintained Road King with moderate miles? That's strong value in today's market. Number 6. 2008 Softail Custom in Omaha, Nebraska, listed at $6,800. This one stands out for one reason: 5,371 miles. That's extremely low for a 2008. It has the 96 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission, brand new tires front and rear, detachable windshield, and Screamin' Eagle exhaust. Low mileage twin cam Softails are getting harder to find. At $6,800, it's not cheap, but it's clean, low-mild, and ready to ride. For someone wanting a near time capsule Softail, this might be worth the premium. Number 7. 2001 Electra Glide in Beaumont, California, listed at $3,000 OBO. Now we're in project territory. The seller bought it to build as a stunt bike. The tank has a dent, fenders aren't in great shape, and the speedometer doesn't work, so mileage is unknown. But he says it runs and he rides it regularly. Extra tires and bags are included. At $3,000, this is either a cheap entry into touring Harleys or a project that needs cosmetic work. Definitely not the prettiest bike on the list, but maybe one of the cheapest running baggers you'll find. Number 8. 2007 Softail in Fort Bragg, California, listed at $1,500. Yes, $1,500. It runs good, clear title, but here's the catch: $1,200 in back DMV fees. So realistically, you're into it for around $2,700 before registration. It has 55,000 miles and needs cleanup. This is clearly a fixer-upper, but still, under $3,000 total for a running Softail? That's budget territory that's hard to ignore. Number 9. 1990 Custom Softail in El Cajon, California, listed at $9,350. This one is described as a one-of-one custom built on a local Southern California fabricated frame. It runs a 1990 Harley drivetrain with an 80-inch Evo motor built to scream. Custom paint, lots of chrome, 5-speed transmission, and reportedly only 5,000 original miles. This sounds like a show bike that actually gets ridden. For someone who loves custom SoCal chopper culture with Evo reliability, this could be a unique piece. Definitely not stock, but definitely different. And finally, number 10. 1997 Harley-Davidson Fatboy in La Mesa, California, listed at $10,000. This is a clean title Fatboy with 33,100 miles and a 1310cc build. It features an Evo 80 motor with branch heads and pistons, Andrews cams, Mikuni 42 carb, Vance & Hines pipes, progressive shocks, and a Corbin seat. The seller says the paint job is amazing and it's a perfect mix of chrome and black. The Evo-era Fatboy is iconic, especially late 90s models. With performance upgrades already installed, this could be a strong running classic cruiser. Alright everyone, that wraps up today's Harley-Davidson lineup. If you're interested in any of these bikes, please click the link in the description according to the bike number you want. All the listings are organized so you can easily find the one that caught your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next motorcycle deals. See you in the next video!